Danske Bank's Kasper Kirkegaard. Great to see you here. Let's just, Kasper, get your view. I mean, it's obviously all eyes in Copenhagen on that summit taking place. But what about the euro and what about Greece? What are you looking at today?
We have the PM scheduled to speak today on the Greece situation, and some information has already been given on that. We do look for an improvement in the budget going into next year. Don't think it'll be that supportive for the euro, though. The all-dominating news out this morning is the Abu Dhabi situation, bailing out Dubai, has added to this risk-on sentiment, at least for now, sending euro-dollar higher.
Right, so, you know, what happens next? I mean, is this a long-term trend? Do you think that the dollar weakness story is perhaps over with as we go into 2010?
I don't think it's over for now, but we should remember it is December. We do have liquidity draining out. We should expect erratic movements. And if you look at the IMM report published last Friday showing speculative positions in the market, we have seen that a lot of the dollar shorts that were in place have been taken out. And that probably explains why the dollar has seen a bit of a rebound last week. This could continue in the short term. We do expect in the coming 3 months that we'll still have the peak in euro-dollar ahead of us. And then as we go further into 2010, we'll need to see the Federal Reserve become less dovish in order for the depreciation trend to end, in our view.
Kasper, what about in your latest piece that you've written saying the US dollar appears more isolated than ever? What do you mean by that?
There are several indications of this. If you look at correlations, implicit correlations on the market, you'll find that the dollar has been more isolated. And you can also see it from the post-March rally. We've seen stock markets rallying significantly. That has sent the dollar weaker. We can understand that. If you look at two of the other traditional funding currencies, the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, on an effective basis, they've both more or less range traded since March. Probably would have expected to see some weakness there as well. So even among the safe haven or the funding currencies, the dollar does appear a bit isolated.
Kasper, 5 seconds. What's your trade of the day?
We look at the euro-yen and the euro-stocky. We believe that the euro-stocky should be able to head lower. We're on the other side of the so-called PPM money in Sweden. Euro-stocky trading at 1040 is still high in our view,
Kasper.
And we like euro-yen higher.
Kasper, we're out of time. Good to see you.
But then again,
thanks a lot for that. Kasper Kirkegaard joining us from Danske Bank.